Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily download and install Microsoft Office on your PC or laptop step by step. So whether you're installing Office for the first time, reinstalling, or switching devices, this tutorial has you covered. So before we begin, make sure that you have a Microsoft account already. So this is actually required to activate and download Office. So if you don't have one yet, you need to go to account.microsoft.com and sign up. So it is free and it only takes a minute. And then right after, just go to the official Office website wherein you could go ahead and download it. So here, what I did is just open a browser and search for download Microsoft Office. So you should be able to see onto the first option there, this link here. Or you could copy this link. Then you should be able to see something like this. So this is formally Office 365. So for us to be able to begin downloading this, there is a download now option. Click onto that and there are two options. So if you're Windows, choose Windows, and there is also for Mac OS. So click onto that and it should automatically download onto your device just like this. So you'll just have to wait for this one to be done. So you'll just have to locate it onto the folder right after. So we have that here. And if you double click onto this, the installer will launch and it will begin installing Office. So no need to click on anything. Just go ahead and sit back and let it finish. So this may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and system performance. So we'll try that one out. So it should give you something like this. So you'll just have to wait for that one. And once it is installed, you could go ahead and open any Office app like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, and then sign in with your Microsoft account when prompted. So Office will automatically activate your license if it is already linked to your account. So if you have a product key, you need to enter that so that you could use Office apps. And that is just basically it. You have now learned how to install Microsoft Office. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, also check out the links in the description for some helpful bonuses, tools, and extra resources we share. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on to the next one.